Hi, hello. This is Jnanadikam, G7 Creative Life Marketing Private Limited. Thanks for watching my videos and so far giving the support. So today I'm going to talk about that real estate investment. That means how to invest the property or how to buy a property. This is the subject. Most of the people, they don't know. Actually, they have the interest, they have the dream, they have the money, but the decision making, there they are locking and they are taking that too much of time, so that the people, they are not willing to buy the property, and the making the decision is getting late. So when you want to buy the property, you should see a lot of things inside of how to buy. Some of the key points I tell you, those key points, if you think that when you choose that point, then only you can get that right product, right time, right person. The property value will be good and appreciation will be good. So you should see that 7 points of things. That's a key point when you invest money on property or you want to buy a property. See, first thing, number one, why you want to buy the property or why you want to make the investment. That means for using or saving your money for future, or now you want to make the income source. These three things, if you select the question why you want, then you can choose which is one, then only you can go to the next one. The next one is what property, what kind of property. There are a lot of properties inside. The property is agriculture or agri farmhouse or residential villa plots, apartments, sites or commercial purpose. These are the things you have to take care of. What kind of property you want to buy or you want to make the investment. The third one is when you want to buy. Now you want to buy, or after 3 months, or after 1 year, after 3 years. Why? Because whenever you want to buy a property, the three things will be happen. When you take the decision within 3 months, the price and the property will be waiting for you. After 3 months, the property value and the property will not be there. After some years, you can't buy because of due to a lot of reasons. That and all we'll see later on. And which property you have to buy. Which property means, see, in agriculture, there is a lot of agriculture also there. So you can make the income source from there, or you want to make the farmhouse. The same thing, residential also, you can construct and leave that, and you can use that. And commercials also, there you can take the income source or industrial purpose. So which property you want to buy, that you have to choose your property. And where you want to buy, that the next one. That's a fifth point one. Where you want to buy. You want in foreign countries or India. In India, which state, in state, which cities, metro city or cities or town or wherever or village. In that place is, if you select that place itself, there you have to select another things also, which is appreciated or it is developed. Already it is developed area, or that is under developing, or it is some years after only it will developing. Those things you have to see. See, when you want to buy a property under developing, that means developing area within a year or 2 years, 3 years, that property has to, that place has to be developing. That area, if you choose, your property value will be more and more, and you are going to get a lot of profit and a lot of appreciation also. The last one is to whom. Here only the buyer and seller has to be very careful. Especially buyer should be careful. To whom we have to buy? See, landowner, or you want to buy any marketing companies, agent, brokers, or else you want to buy any construction people. See, if you make this 6 point of all the things, if you take the decision, see, you will get an awareness of this, then you can get how to buy the property. This will make you to make the investment on your property investment, and you will put in the real estate investment. So this can be useful for your all your needed, all your people, those who are liking to buy a property, those who are investing the property. See, why? Because these are the things people they know, but they are not aware of that when you want to buy, when you want to make the investment. Not only that, unfortunately, we don't have the educational system of the real estate. That means property, financial, educational. This kind of educational institution we don't have, and the awareness of the property buying and selling here, nobody is teaching here. So if you go and select all those things, then only you can get a lot of profit, and you can buy immediately, you can take the decision also. See, everybody is having their own dream to buy anywhere, any property. See, in those days, our father or grandfather, anyone has to purchase, if it is, they supposed to purchase. We are now crorepati or lakpati, but unfortunately they don't have the educational. But the same thing, we should not do that and all. So when you want to buy any property, any kind of property in Hosur, any locations, please call me, please connect me, G7 Creative Life Marketing Private Limited. There in my YouTube channel, I am putting a lot of videos, a lot of informations, lot of awareness videos. Please keep on watching. See, dear friends and dear viewers and dear subscribers, I like to tell you, I request to tell you, please subscribe my channel so that you will get a lot of information about the properties and new properties updations. And also you can share to this link your friends and your colleagues, whatever you are knowing the people. Why? Because they will get a profit, they will get a lot of awareness. Okay, so please link the share to your friends also. Thank you very much.